guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be going over the Cashier backend and showing you all of its features. The Cashier is designed for the PAX E500 Smart Terminal, but you can also access it in the backend if you do not have that device. When you log in to your Flexipos backend, you will see the Cashier tab to the left. Here's where you will be able to create online invoices that allows the customer to pay with cash or through POS. You will be able to select the products from your product catalog. And at the bottom, you will be able to choose from either all the items in your product catalog, or if you have them divided into categories, then you will be able to choose from specific categories. You can add products to your product catalog in the Mini POS tab. Now, simply look for the product the customer wants to purchase and the quantity they want. Once you have selected the items you want, to the right of the screen, you will see the subtotal for the products in the cart, as well as a list of the items and their quantity. You will also see you have the option to put the client's name right under where it says subtotal. Here, you will be able to search for a specific client or add a new client. To add a new client, simply enter their name, company name, email, phone number, state or territory, zip code, tax ID, and address. Then click add, and there you have it. Now let's look at the bottom where you will see the subtotal, partial payment, and pending payment. After all the wanted items have been added, you can then choose to either pay in cash, or you could also pay through their POS terminal by swiping, tapping, or inserting the credit or debit card. If the customer is not paying with cash or through POS terminal, then you can simply click on other payments on the top right screen, and you will have the option to accept payments with credit or debit card, cash, or through email as well. If paying with credit or debit card, they can pay on the POS terminal, or you can manually enter the card information. Here it will show you the payment details, and you will enter the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and CVV number, and then click pay. Now, if paying through email, enter the customer's name and email, and then click send, and it will send the invoice directly to the customer. And those are the different ways the customer can pay. Now at the bottom, you will have the option to delete the invoice if no longer necessary, or save it for a later time. And that's the cashier portion in the backend. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.